I always wanted to try this beat though. Where should I go? Well, you want respect? Man, you better have regret. But when you see me, you better bring a check. My money stacked papers is regrets. If you know that I got it so hard, man, they be scheming and they know they so far, man. You better rise above and give me all the love. But when you see me in your face, you better start scrubs. If you got so mad, you better be good. Cause I'm a rapper and I freestyle every hood. Because I spit every verse that I ever know. But when I see you, baby, you better get to the flow. Cause I'm the queen one, I'm the knees one. And you need one, cause you breathe one. But when you're scheming, you better believe in none. I'ma let Rick Ross finish this song. But niggas tryna get with me, huh? What? Listen, man, about your life, that's a situation you can tell. About the regrets, the pain that you never felt. But when you love someone, you better keep the truth. Because your life regrets and all of the proof. You got bad ones out here being snakes. You got the sad ones who's always gonna be betrayed. Because you got it, man, you better reactivate. Because this world and this world never been straight. Man, it's real people in this world dealing. Man, I rap and freestyle everything I'm feeling. But you don't understand me, get it off my shit. Because you better believe that I'ma be it. I'ma keep it 100%. Man, I get this from my brother. Nobody can tell me when, or when and where. Whenever I can care, I'ma ride for my family. Y'all better stop staring. Take a picture, and then remember mirror. Because you're gonna die feeling nigga, they always shookin'. But when you look in the mirror, reflection of your face, remember you're beautiful, baby, you ain't never trace. Man, you good, bad, and then you're bad and good. Man, whoever told you you ugly, bitch, you from that hood. You don't tolerate that. Man, I'm just being straight. Man, this beat going good. Man, I'm just penetrating, and I reminisce, and I reminisce. Man, I just want a bad one who give a kiss. Man, I can tell you anything that you miss, man. You better remember the pain that you gain, man. I've been through a lot. Man, these bitches stay. Niggas tryna get at me. And watch your back, you better watch your back. Watch it, penetrating up all the slack. I don't want none, go ahead and smoke that. I could get one, and I will finish that. It's a pain in this world that you would never thought. But when your veins is pearled and I would never brought. Man, you can reminisce and all the dumb junk, huh? And I'ma be one. Man, it's pain, it's reminiscence, it's a shame. Man, I'm out in the brain, holding niggas the brain. I'ma be in this world, and you see me again. I'ma do something in my life that I'll never be ashamed, man. I'ma leave it like that, man. Did it get it done, man, dang. Man, I'm hot. H-Ville. Swanna B. Huh, niggas tryna get at me. Because I ride for my niggas. 31313 and it's Ville. Man, I tell you how I feel. So if you wanna say something slack black, hitty dog a bone, man, fuck you and leave me the fuck alone.